4211 Dairy Farm in the Billsman Manor Estates. This house is going to be approximately somewhere around 1,400 square feet of heat and cool. Nice setup. It's a cool house. Open floor plan for the main living area. As you can see, you have your living area with your tray ceiling. And then you have, which will have rope lighting built in, by the way, your dining area, and then your kitchen. But what's cool about the kitchen is that you have this bay window. Look at that. All kinds of cool stuff up there. It will be very, very nice. You'll be able plenty of recessed lighting in here. So easy to see. You'll have your bar sitting here at the end in your kitchen. House is still under construction, so please forgive no paint or flooring in yet. Going down the hallway, you have a utility room, washer and dryer with cabinets, latest and greatest. Look at that huge man cave, woman cave area. Good for storage. You can hang all your stuff on here. Also your garage, your oversized 2-car garage. This will be your master bedroom. As you walk in, you're going to have a huge closet when it's completed with plenty of shelving in here. Pocket door. Box ceiling. And then of course your bathroom when it's completed. It'll have double mirrors, all that good stuff on. We're just not there yet, but this house is available for sale. Now, check this out. Look at this monster walk-in shower it's going to have. Look at that bench. Both of y'all can sit there. Drops like rain. 3 shower heads. Each one has a valve. Easy to get in. This will have a glass front when it's completed. This will be bedroom number 2. And the double closet, door closet that'll go in. Full bath, number 2, of course. We'll even include the boat out shower bar when it's done. Mirrors will be up here pretty soon. And then bedroom number 3, box ceiling. These bedrooms will accommodate a queen size bed or smaller. Double door closet when it's completed. We just haven't got the handles on it yet. Every room does have a smoke detector, carbon monoxide, all that good stuff. And then of course you'll have a hot and cold shower outside with an open patio.